Hey, happy Monday. So we are on day 13 for 13 days till Christmas. Can you believe it? 13 days till Christmas. Okay, so day 13 walkthrough. Here it is. It is a Forest River Summit. Let's expand. There we go. Let's check out this Forest River Summit. So it is a non-loft unit. Cozy little living room here. Cozy with a fireplace corner, fireplace TV stand, dining area, and the kitchen. So then you look upon the living room here. Lots of room, lots of headspace. See, no loft. Let's check out these closets. Good storage. And more good storage. Back door. Bedroom. All right. And good sized bathroom. Lots of natural light in here without having the loft above it. All right, so day 13 walkthrough. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.